One morning, Peppa Pig looked out of the window and saw dark clouds in the sky. "Oh no," she sighed. "It's going to rain." But instead of feeling sad, Peppa smiled. She loved jumping in muddy puddles. "Let's put on our rain boots," said Peppa. George clapped his hands excitedly. Mommy Pig gave them both colorful boots and raincoats. "Don't forget your umbrellas," she reminded them. Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig went to the park. The rain started to fall gently. Peppa laughed as she jumped in the puddles. Splash! Splash! George joined in, giggling loudly. They saw their friends Susie Sheep and Rebecca Rabbit under a big tree. "Come play with us," Peppa called. Everyone laughed and played in the rain, dancing and splashing in puddles. When the rain stopped, a rainbow appeared in the sky. "It's so beautiful," said Peppa. They all looked up and smiled. It was the perfect end to a rainy day adventure.